Hello everyone, welcome back to English Minded Learning Channel. Today we are going to play a fill-in-the-blank quiz. I'll show you a sentence with a missing word and give you 3 choices. Your job is to guess the correct word. After that, I'll reveal the answer, explain why it is correct, and give you an example sentence. Let's begin. I blank tea every morning. A. Drink. B. Eat. C. Read. Answer: drink. We use drink with liquids like tea, coffee, or water. We don't eat tea or read tea. The cat is blank on the bed. A. Sleeping. B. Running. C. Cooking. Answer: sleeping. Sleeping fits, while running and cooking don't make sense here. We blank football in the park every Sunday. A. Play. B. Write. C. Cook. Answer: play. Football is a sport, and the correct verb is play. We don't write football or cook football. She blank a beautiful song yesterday. A. Sings. B. Sang. C. Singing. Answer: sang. The word yesterday shows past tense, so we use the past form of sing, which is sang. I am blank a book right now. A. Read. B. Reading. C. Reads. Answer: reading. Am plus ing form is used for present continuous. Reading is correct. They blank to the beach last weekend. A. Go. B. Going. C. Went. Answer: went. They went to the beach last weekend. He always blank his homework before dinner. A. Do. B. Does. C. Doing. Answer: does. With he, she, it, we use does in the present simple tense. We blank very happy today. A. Is. B. Are. C. Am. Answer: are. Why? With we, the correct form of the verb to be is are. She to music every night. Listens. Listen. Listening. Answer: listens. With she, he, or it, we add s in the present simple tense. Listens. The sun in the east. Rise. Rises. Rising. Answer: rises. This is a fact or general truth. In present simple tense, we use rises for the sun. Excellent job! You didn't just choose the right answers, but also learned why they are correct. How many questions did you get right? Comment your score below. If you liked this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe English Minded for more fun English quizzes. See you next time.